Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you are living in Canada and if you own a house, it's like quite common that even after years of moving into this address, you still get letters of old owners, right? So what are you supposed to do? First of all, in Canada, it's absolutely illegal to discard someone else's email, and also illegal to dump someone else's email, someone else's mails. So never do that. That's illegal. So what you're supposed to do? Write this on the letter. Moved, return to sender. If you know that the person used to live here at your address. If you don't know, like if a name appears that is not familiar to you, you can write unknown, return to sender. That's it. And then put it inside any Canada Post mailbox, and it will be returned to the sender. And once the sender returns gets it, they come to know, yeah, they should no longer send such letters to your address addressing this person, right? So that is what it is, guys. So this is a good process that you should follow, and it will avoid any legal issues. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.